As dawn breaks over this South Indian village, preparations for a grand celebration are well underway. Skilled hands, guided by generations of knowledge, work swiftly and purposefully, each movement a testament to the rich culinary traditions of the region. The day begins with the preparation of spices and dried red chilies, coriander, cumin. The community is gathering for a wedding, and the anticipation is palpable as the feast begins to take shape. In the heart of the village, the cooking area comes alive with activity. The rhythmic sounds of chopping, the crackling of wood-fired stoves, and the gentle hum of conversation fill the air.
അതിനൊന്നും ബലമില്ല ചുമ്മാതെ.
The chicken is added to the pot, slowly simmering as it absorbs the layers of flavor, each one carefully ground by hand. The vibrant colors and intense aromas of the freshly ground spices infuse the air, setting the stage for the dishes to come. These spices are the heart and soul of South Indian cuisine, essential to the deep, complex flavors that will soon grace the wedding feast. Attention then turns to the creation of a spicy chicken curry, a dish that captures the boldness of South Indian flavors. Onions and tomatoes are sauteed until soft and golden, their natural sweetness balancing the heat of the spices. As the ground spices are added, the mixture transforms, releasing a rich fragrance that speaks of warmth and tradition. Meanwhile, another group of cooks begins the preparation of porota, a flatbread beloved across South India. The dough is kneaded with care, rolled into thin layers, and cooked on a hot griddle until golden and flaky. Each porota is a work of art, with layers that peel apart to reveal a soft, tender interior, perfect for pairing with the spicy curry. As the day progresses, the cooking area hums with coordinated activity. Every pot, every ladle, every hand has a role to play in the creation of this feast. It is a communal effort, a celebration of both the occasion and the shared joy of preparing and enjoying food together. With each dish, the flavors of South India come to life, offering a taste of the region's rich culinary history. The wedding feast, nearly complete, will soon bring the community together, a testament to the enduring power of food to unite, to celebrate, and to nourish both body and soul. This curry is more than a dish, it is a cherished recipe, passed down through generations, and a symbol of the village's culinary heritage.